Hello, welcome to a demonstration of the Tellecloud Dialer. What you're seeing here is the picture of my iPhone, and on the iPhone has a application called TC Dialer. And the idea of this application is to allow you to make phone calls like you normally do and receive phone calls. And when you conclude the phone call metadata is transmitted to the Tellecloud server, which then propagates its way down to the CRM applications. Now, sometimes when you make a phone call and you're out in the field or somewhere and you want to make a note about that call, just to remind you what happened, you really don't have your PC with you, or you don't have your CRM application open up. You just want to make a quick little note of what it is to remind you, and of course, when that call gets later inserted into your CRM database, it would be with the appropriate contact. So I'm going to start by launching the dialer. And it's a regular application. And it's called Annotate Your Calls. So on the upper left is menus. I'm going to start by making dialing calls. So here's the dialer. It dials like any other dialer, and you hit dial and it makes a phone call. So let's make a phone call, and then we'll annotate that call. So 11961 2. I'm going to call my other cell phone and dial. And you notice it's actually using the iPhone's native dialing application. So it's not an over-the-top. So if there's a bad call quality, it's not because of the application, it's just because of the phone. So hit call. It's actually dialing. And there it goes on the other side. Let me answer that. So we have a call going on right now, and I haven't hung up yet. I just want to give it a little bit of time and explain it. You work your phone like you normally does. It's not intrusive. So let's go ahead and cancel this call, or at least hang up the call. As soon as I hung up that call, what's happened is the date and the time, the duration, all the information has already been sent to the server. So I have it now, and it can be on its way to a CRM application. But we want to annotate that call too a little bit to see to say what happened. So let's go in and annotate a call. So let's go look at the call log. There are two calls in this log. One that was made 20 minutes ago, and one was made 45 seconds ago. Well, the one that was made 45 seconds ago is the one I'm going to show you the annotate, and we can even annotate the other one. So let's go ahead and annotate that. So I'll open up this call, and you notice all the purple are the ones that can be edited. So we can't edit the date and time the call has happened, but we can edit the name and the project calls. So let's go ahead and edit one of them. And I'm going to call just something like it'll be Joe's Plumbing. Okay, Joe's Plumbing. And in Joe's Plumbing, what we want to do is we can categorize the call. I can have any kind of project I want in the meeting category. Let's say the category I want to call, let's say phone. Oops, let me make sure I got that right. So it'll go into the phone. So it's going to go into the phone category of the project My Calls. And let's say the disposition I want, in this case, I want the disposition to be sale. So it's a sale. And let's go ahead and save that, just to make sure. Oh, I didn't have to save that right away. So now what I want to do is attach a note too, so to give a little bit of context and some substance. So go ahead and into the note. Now, of course, I can type in here, but I like to speak. So I'm going to say, let's go down here to my speaker. Talk to Joe Baker today, period. He said he can work for 2 days at $600 per day in labor plus materials, period. He will be willing to start on March 1st, period. Okay. I don't have to go into it because I can edit it later on. So go ahead and save it. So now we have a call with a note. And the idea is to get all this attached to Joe's record in my CRM application, which we have a further demo at a different time to show you that. But in the meantime, this call is ready to go. So I want to push this call to the server. Okay, so now you notice that the call is gone from the call log. The call that I made 22 minutes ago is on there, but the call that we just annotated is gone, is off the server, and in another demo we'll show you how it goes into your CRM application. And that concludes this demonstration of the TC Tellecloud Dialer. Thank you.